I need to know what's the reason before y'all try to get me off of here.
You're still yelling.
That's not the way I talk.
Yeah,
Shut up. No. He keeps fighting. He ain't getting those cups.
Viewer advisory. This video contains body camera footage depicting the use of physical force during a contested arrest. On March 25th, 2024, Broward County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a reported disturbance at a Tri-Rail commuter station in Broward County, Florida. A subject had refused to leave a train. What followed raised questions about trespass authority, the limits of verbal resistance, and the legal consequences of physical noncompliance while armed.
Just let you know you're going to be trespassed, okay? You'll no longer be walking on this train. If you return, you'll be subject to an arrest.
You understand?
Well, God, take a picture. You don't have the right to take my picture. You ain't even asked me. It's not against the law.
All right. Well, let's do this nice and peacefully. Yes, sir, I need you to get up. We got to get off the train.
All right, sir. No problem.
Thank you. Is there a door right here? Oh, we can go this way. It's quicker.
Yeah. What y'all taking the picture for? Y'all don't have no right to take no pictures of me. Do you? Now, let me ask you something. What's the reason why I'm being put off the train?
We'll talk off the train.
I need to know what's the reason before y'all try to get me off of here.
Nice and calm.
That's what I'm being nice and calm.
So remember, this is. So you're already being verbally combative.
Sir, you can say
the
what
train
you want
needs
to
to
say.
go.
I'm not asking you a question. You can't answer.
You're being
my question.
trespassed.
Why am I being trespassed?
Because you're just being disorderly conduct.
How am I being disorderly?
I'm not going to ask 1,000 questions. I need you to exit the train.
You can't even answer my questions.
I'm asking you right now, man.
One more time, or else you're gonna go to jail, man. We don't want to take you to jail.
What you gonna take me to jail for?
Trespass.
Y'all, it's not even in the system to be trespassed. So how y'all gonna trespass me if it's not in the system?
I'm telling you right now, you have
yeah.
been trespassed. I'm asking you to leave. That's your trespass warning right there. Over and done with.
Thank you.
Y'all ain't got no paperwork that y'all gonna give me to report all y'all.
I'll give you this. Put my name on it.
All right. Okay.
That's right.
No, I ain't got nothing. Just get a paperwork with your name on it. That's all I need.
I need your ID.
You don't need nothing from me. You need me to get off. I'm off. Like, give me some paperwork.
As the suspect continues to be combative, deputies take notice of a knife sticking out of his front right pocket.
Man, give me some damn paperwork. I ain't gotta provide none of y'all with nothing.
Got a knife on you, remember that.
All you gotta do is give me my paperwork. Let me go to my business.
You're not going to tell me what to do.
Man, that's all you gotta do, bro.
I'm not your bro. Just to let you know.
Man, fuck what you talking about. Give me your paperwork.
I think it's who you're trying to show out to right now.
I ain't showing out, bro. I'm trying to go to work.
Bro, you're yelling. Why?
It's my mouth. Freedom of speech.
I'm not arguing that.
I ain't talking to you. You just want me to start a problem, talk shit, and you can have a reason to take me to jail. You're what y'all talking about.
You're just yelling for no reason.
Now you take a picture of me, sir, I'm gonna break your phone. You're not authorized to take no picture of me. Oh, yeah, what?
Okay, break my phone.
Okay, then. I didn't say you. I didn't say you. Did I say you?
Stop.
Okay, then. This is my voice.
On your mouth.
My mouth.
Yeah.
Freedom of speech.
Yo, do not grab that knife, boss man.
I didn't even reach for my knife.
Put him in handcuffs. Put him in handcuffs. Now you're going to jail. Hey, don't reach for shit right now.
Hold on,
Slam you
bro.
to the fucking ground.
That's what y'all
Stop.
looking for?
Stop.
You see the knife in my pocket?
Yeah, I
and
do
you
see
think
it.
I'm reaching for it?
I can't get the other side
Man,
switch.
come on, bro.
Grab the
Come on,
cuff.
bro. It's not that serious, bro. Come on, bro. It's not that serious.
Give me your arm. Give me your
It's not
arm.
that serious, bro. I didn't reach for my knife, bro.
Give me your
Come on,
arm.
man.
Why are you still resisting?
Stop resisting.
Put your hands behind your back and there's no problem. Let's go.
Watch, hey, switch arms.
I
Turn
can't.
over.
Don't stop that.
Come on,
Go
man.
ahead. Bring
I
your arm
didn't reach
around the
for
back.
my knife.
Bring your arm around the back. Bring your right arm around your back and not
Sir, I did not reach.
Roll him to a step. Come here, get out of the way. Yeah.
I did not reach. Sir,
Look, you're still resisting.
I did
Why?
not reach. Sir, I did not reach.
Now you're going to jail.
Sir, I did not reach for my knife. Come on, man.
It's all on camera.
You can see it.
All right, you chill now, bro?
Yeah,
Take
because
All right, relax.
I reached for my knife. I didn't reach for
All
it.
right, relax. It's okay.
It's not okay
Stop.
because y'all
Well,
saying
you're gonna
I
make
did
it worse.
something.
You got the radio?
You're gonna make
I
it
didn't
worse.
do nothing.
You're gonna make it worse, man.
Y'all already made it worse, saying I reached for something that I
You
didn't
have
even
been
reach
combative
for.
this whole
Good,
time.
now you're going to jail.
Y'all just needed a reason to take me to jail. And y'all see
yourself
my
a reason.
We
knife.
begged you. We begged you not to take you to jail.
All right then.
All right,
Y'all
you
see
stand
a
up.
knife? All
No,
right,
put him on
let
his-
me
put
get
him on
up.
his- no,
Y'all
put
got,
him-
hold on. These
let him sit, let him
cutting
sit.
off my circulation, bro. You know you put that shit on tight. You can take the right cuff off a little bit, bro. Come on, man.
It's hard to cuff somebody when they're fighting.
All right, so unloosen it. I'm not fighting now. Bro, look. You can unloosen this right cuff.
Scoot to the right. I want you off the yellow.
Bro, you can't. How you gonna drag me by the fucking same arm? I'm telling you, bro. Don't drag me by that arm. The cuff is tight. Y'all not even
You're
listening.
still f***ing resisting.
Don't drag me by that arm, bro.
Knock it off, man!
It's y'all listening. Y'all want me to listen to y'all? Bro, the cuff is tight.
I can't fix it when you're fighting like this.
Ow! I'm
Fix
sitting
it.
down.
Don't fix it, don't fix it.
I can't, bro. You're gonna fight
I'm
it.
sitting down.
No.
Bro, the cuff is tight around my wrist.
You want to get him to the car?
I am.
Wait for more units.
Also, all you gotta do is, bro,
Just be quiet and let them work.
they're working. Relax the cuff.
Be quiet and let them work.
Relax the cuff. You tell them that.
They're gonna do that.
When?
When you relax,
I am.
you're not.
How you gonna tell me what I
Take a
am?
deep breath.
How you gonna tell me
They're
what
not
I
Are they
am?
Tony for us?
You don't know what I am. You're outside looking in. You're outside.
All this for what?
For what? That's what I'm
This is
saying.
you. This is literally 100% on you.
This is what they want to do, brother. They want to lift you up and sit you on a bench away from the track.
All right.
That's all.
Can they unloosen the cuff?
You have a sweatshirt protecting your skin.
Bro, it don't matter what it is. This shit is tight. I ain't moving nowhere, bro. Y'all can't help me. I can't help y'all.
Tracks are right there. You're gonna have to move from the tracks.
Bro, y'all gonna have to unloosen the cuffs
I'm
then.
not doing that.
All right, then help me.
We're gonna
Help
drag him back.
y'all.
Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3. What have we learned today? You can play tough all you want.
Bro, I'm not playing tough. If the cuffs is tight, they're tight. You try to turn it off. Come on, bro.
Tracks,
You
too.
can record.
All right, can y'all unloosen the cuffs
No.
for
Me
me?
for a second.
No.
Everyone.
Okay, we y'all saying follow what y'all
You
saying.
want to see recording? He got one recording.
Man, damn
He
what y'all
one
got.
recording.
Damn what y'all
Every
got. It's
camera
about
up here is
what I got.
recording. You think I'm worried
It's
about
about
you
what I
recording?
got, sir. Go on about your business, sir.
Oh, now you got nothing to say about recording, huh? Everybody's recording here. You
Yeah.
think I care
Dude,
about
since
your
the second-
phone?
Of course. Of
Because the
course.
concrete.
Not.
No.
Of course.
Dude, since the second we got here, you've been trying to hype up for some reason.
No reason.
Who?
We gave you
All
so
this
many
was literally just,
What?
hey, get off the
The
train.
Now
second-
you're going
week?
to jail.
No,
Second
Now you
week?
got
you're
multiple
still
charges.
yelling.
That's how the way I talk.
No, it's
How
not.
you gonna tell me how the way
yells
I
talk.
talk?
Nobody yells to talk.
That's how the way I talk. I guess I'm a nobody then.
Good.
I guess I'm a nobody. Y'all talking about I reach for a fucking knife?
It's
This
all
is my
on
what
camera.
knife?
All on camera.
Okay, and you're gonna see I didn't reach.
Good. Okay, you're
Oh, I'm sorry. Your hand only
you're going to
grabbed
jail
it.
for it anyway.
My hand did not grab it.
Okay.
Y'all can stand me up and take me around if y'all want to calmly now. And you gotta loosen the cuff. Y'all said wait. You said y'all
up,
gonna
man.
do it, right?
Stop talking.
Man,
That's
you.
it.
You. I listen. You said give him over there. I'm sitting here. Did they unloosen the cuffs yet? No, they did not. You said that they was gonna unloosen
my
the
aim.
cuffs.
We ain't doing that now.
Oh,
Hey,
now
my
all of a
shears
sudden,
are in the
so you
car
gonna
for his
cuff off
backpack. We're gonna cut the
circulation?
backpack strap.
One finger in there, man. It's not too tight.
You can't even get a finger in there. Put your finger in
I
there.
see the space.
Put your finger in there then. Show me. Put your finger in there. Okay then, bro.
The suspect continues to resist as deputies prepare his transfer.
Damn, bro. I'm not going nowhere, sir. I'm not going nowhere.
All right, then stand up.
You can't pull me up by that arm, bro. The cuff is tight on that arm. I'm telling you. Look. The
Yeah,
cuff
that's
is
what
tight.
happens when you fight when I'm trying to put
I've
cuffs on
been
you.
telling you the whole time, sir.
When
The
we get
cuff
to the
is
car, when we
tight.
get to the car, I'll fix it.
You just.
You're
sir,
still not calm. Listen,
You're
if you-
cutting the
all you gotta do is
circulation
all you gotta do is
off,
listen.
sir.
I'll fix it.
Sir, look at my arm. You're cutting the circulation off, bro. Damn. That's all I said is the circulation in my fucking hand. Y'all don't want to loosen the cuff, bro. My fucking wrist is swollen up.
Hey, do you have your clothes shears?
God damn, bro.
Let me get them.
That's all I asked was to loosen
Do you have
the
anything in your
cuff.
pocket that's
Spread
gonna
your
poke me, stick me,
No,
prick me?
sir. I
Spread
don't
your
have
feet.
anything in my pocket, sir.
Spread your feet, please.
I already spreaded them.
Spread them a little bit more.
And don't be throwing my
Shut up.
like I ain't
Shut up.
nothing,
That's
bro.
it. You have no more rights anymore. Shut up.
Don't be throwing my stuff like I'm
got
not
a
nothing, bro.
I'll get the belt, bro.
Yeah, take my belt off.
Don't move towards me.
Take my belt
Don't
off.
Do you want me to fix the cup or not?
Go ahead, fix
Then
it.
lay your chest down on the belt. Put your chest on the
All
trunk.
you gonna do is just cut around my jacket, bro. That's not
I'm
loosening
not
the
cutting your.
cuff.
I'm not cutting your jacket. I can loosen the cup, but I'm not going to
All
do it when
right,
you're
so
fighting.
please, sir, you keep saying I'm
You-
fighting. I
but you're-
listen. I got up. I came this way. Can you
All right,
at least?
but you're-
I'm done with this guy. That's
All right, sir. What you
Enough.
being so rough with me for? God damn, bro.
wanna
That's not the
fight?
way you doing
You want to
it.
fight?
You're
Cops?
still resisting. Put your
All
chest
right,
down. Put
it's
your
on
chest
the
down.
chest. It's on the car,
Okay.
sir. Fuck, can you just loosen up the fucking cuff?
Yeah,
Shut up. No.
once we're done-
No. He keeps
Fuck,
fighting.
bro.
He ain't getting those cuffs loose. Kick me again. Kick me again. Kick me again. Stop kicking! That's twice you kicked me!
Hold on. Oh, you grab the Hold on. Don't move him. Don't move him. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. I can get a finger through. Cuff's good. Cuff is good. Look, I can.
Double lock it. Just double lock it.
Okay, good. In the car.
Why y'all doing me like this, bro? Why y'all
Like
doing
that?
me like this? I could have walked in the car.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, I
Alright,
could have walked in the car, guys. I could walk in the car.
Sit down.
All right, I could have did that.
Get
What y'all
inside.
doing on me like that
Get
for?
inside.
And what's your name, sir?
It'll be on the report.
What's your name? Because
I got a
y'all standing
Fabrizio.
around.
Go ahead. His name's
Oh, you guys all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're for the Conti, ain't you?
No.
Yes, you are.
Put your legs in.
Bro.
Put your legs in.
Good. Here.
Grab him from the other side. Grab him from the other side. I'm sick of this guy.
My legs are in. What y'all doing all that for?
We got it.
Go ahead. Grab that.
What are y'all doing all this for? All these cameras?
Relax.
With all these cameras?
Yes, we're all wearing cameras.
Is
So
y'all,
relax.
he's not wearing one.
Relax. It's right here.
Is it on?
It is on.
No,
Stop.
it's not,
Yes,
sir.
it is. Stop.
Yeah, it's mine.
How? He's pushing me this way, you push me that way? Which way y'all want me to go?
Got it?
And I'm calling my lawyer.
Gotcha. Did anyone grab the knife that was over there?
It's on top of the hood of the car and the shoe and his phone is there too.
Thank you.
Well,
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
The first legal issue is the trespass warning itself. Under Florida Statute Section 810.09, law enforcement officers may issue trespass warnings on behalf of a property operator, including a transit authority. That verbal notice carries full legal force. Florida law imposes no written documentation requirement at the time of delivery. Once a subject receives oral notice from a sworn officer acting as the property's agent, the legal obligation to leave is immediate. Any return constitutes criminal trespass. The subject demanded written paperwork and a detailed explanation before he would comply. That demand has no legal basis. A citizen has the right to request a badge number and pursue documentation afterward through proper channels. What a citizen may not do is condition compliance with a lawful order upon receiving that documentation first. Withholding compliance in that manner does not protect rights, it creates criminal liability. The subject also invoked the First Amendment to justify his profanity-laden verbal conduct. Under Cohen versus California, decided by the Supreme Court in 1971, offensive speech in public is constitutionally protected, including language directed at law enforcement officers. That protection, however, is not absolute. It does not extend to fighting words, true threats, or verbal conduct paired with physical obstruction of a lawful law enforcement action. The subject's threat to destroy a bystander's phone constitutes a separate criminal threat under Florida Statute Section 806.13, independent of any First Amendment analysis. The critical turning point in this encounter is the deputy's observation of a knife visibly protruding from the subject's front right pocket. That single fact restructures the entire legal framework. Under Graham versus Connor, established by the Supreme Court in 1989, the reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Three factors govern that analysis: the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or evading. All three factors were present here. When deputies moved to arrest and the subject physically resisted handcuffing, Florida Statute, Section 843.01 was triggered. Resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony. The statute does not require that a subject strike an officer. Any knowing, willful, physical resistance that presents a threat of harm in the context of a visible, edged weapon satisfies the statutory elements. The subject's repeated denial that he was reaching for the knife is legally irrelevant to this charge. Under Graham, what matters is what a reasonable officer perceived at that moment, not what the subject intended. Following the arrest, deputies conducted a search of the subject's person. That search is constitutionally sound. Under Chimel versus California, decided in 1969, officers may search the person of a lawfully arrested individual and the area within that person's immediate control. The seizure of the knife requires no additional justification. The subject was charged with 5 offenses: assault and battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, theft, violation of probation, and trespassing. The probation violation charge carries particular weight. A subject on active probation faces compounded consequences for any new arrest, a factor that made non-compliance especially costly in this encounter. Broward County deputies receive a B. The trespass warning was lawfully issued and clearly communicated. The knife was identified promptly, and force remained within the hard, empty hand control tier, proportionate to active resistance from an armed subject. However, the failure to double-lock handcuffs immediately after application is a procedural error. That lapse prolonged the physical confrontation unnecessarily and contributed directly to the subject's sustained agitation. Some deputies' communication also added friction rather than reducing it at key moments. The legal foundation was sound. The execution had gaps. The subject receives a D. Every critical decision made during this encounter maximized legal exposure. Refusing to comply with a lawful trespass warning converted a minor civil removal into a misdemeanor. Sustained verbal combativeness while carrying a visible knife elevated deputy threat perception. Physically resisting handcuffing in that context produced a felony charge. The subject was correct that he deserved an explanation. He was wrong that withholding compliance was an appropriate remedy. 3 lessons stand out from this encounter. First, a verbal trespass warning is legally binding. Demanding written documentation before leaving does not suspend that obligation, it accelerates arrest. Second, First Amendment protections do not immunize physical noncompliance. The right to speak and the obligation to submit to a lawful arrest exist simultaneously and independently. Third, any visible weapon on a subject's person during a contested arrest shifts the force calculus immediately and substantially for both parties. The presence of that knife made every act of resistance significantly more dangerous and legally consequential than it would otherwise have been. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.